How to fix call option not showing on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix your call option not working on your Messenger. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to fix your Messenger call option not showing on your chat, you just need to follow some steps. So let's start. So first thing first, I want you to get back and go to the app info of the app. After getting here, I want you to scroll down until you see storage. After that, just tap on storage, and here you will be seeing clear cache option. Just tap on clear cache and see if that fixes your issue or not. If that doesn't fix your issue, I just want you to get back and uninstall the application from your device. After uninstalling, just get back to Google Play Store and reinstall the application into your device, and I'm sure that method is gonna work for you in order to fix your Messenger call option not showing. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.